10. So here I just video and just use 4 times. So now I just have 10. Last one. So let's check out this red one. We get bear, little bear. Very cute. Let's put it here. Green egg. Yeah. Okay, we got Hello Kitty. Light blue one. Here is 2 rings. Heart. Next, purple one. So we got Winnie Pooh. And you can put pencil in here. So cute, little Winnie Pooh. Let's check our next one. The red one. Oh. Okay. Got this. You can choose off this one like this. Perfect. Here, you see? You see? You see? You just like a whale. You like this. I just makes many circles. Okay. So let's put it on here. Let's do the white one first. We get little box. Oh, we get Minnie again. Here, let's put her bow like this. Here. And let's put purple one first. Guess it's a white dog. Put it here. And one red one. We get Hello Kitty like this. Let's put it here. Here, that's yellow one. We get little yellow Hello Kitty. It's very cute. And last red one. We get dogs again. We have many dogs. And here is where all the presents. Okay, bye bye.